First things first, we need to make sure you have Power BI set up on your computer. It's actually pretty quick and easy. If you already have it installed, feel free to skip ahead to the next lesson. But if not, let's dive right into it. Well, there are two ways to get Power BI installed, and we'll cover both options so you can choose whichever one works best for you. First up is through the Microsoft Store. So let's open it. I prefer this method because there are no manual installation steps required and Windows will automatically keep your Power BI updated, which is super convenient and a time saver. So we have opened the Microsoft Store on our computer and now we will type Power BI in the search bar at the top of the screen. You will see the Power BI desktop app option appear on the screen. Select the application by clicking on it. When the app window opens, click on the Install button to download and install it. Once it's installed, click on the Open button. And that's it. Power BI is installed and ready to use. The other way to download Power BI is by heading over to your browser. Simply open your favorite search engine and type in Power BI download in the search bar. This will bring up a variety of options. You need to look for the Power BI desktop download link from Microsoft website. It's always best to download software from the official source to avoid any issues with security or functionality. This link is also provided in the module documentation for easy access. So let's click on it, and once the page loads, you'll see a big download button on the screen. Click on this button and it will give you an option to choose which bit setup you want to install. My laptop is 64-bit, so I chose that option. Hit download and it will start downloading the installer. Let's wait for it to finish. Once that is done, go to the location of download on your computer and double-click on it to run the installation. The prompt window will appear. Click Next. Click Yes on this window. Just an FYI, it might also ask for the administrator password. Then click Next, accept the agreement and hit Install. We'll wait for the installation to be done. Now that it's done, hit Finish. And just like that, you'll have Power BI ready to go.
Wait, that's it? I thought I'd have to fight with my computer or something.
Yep, it really is that simple. With Power BI ready to roll, I'll see you in the next lesson.